Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for July 28, 2024, featuring Jupiter, Mars, Saturn and the Moon in the morning sky. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 5:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time followed by sunset at 8:14 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, 3 bright outer planets, Jupiter, Mars, and Saturn, are visible before daybreak. An hour before sunrise, the eastern sky has a thick crescent moon, 2 bright planets and several bright stars. The thick crescent moon, 47% illuminated, is over halfway up in the sky. Not yet thin enough to display Earthshine easily, the lunar orb is nearly 30 degrees to bright Jupiter's upper right. Outshining all the stars in the sky this morning, the Jovian giant is 30 degrees up in the east. Jupiter plods eastward in front of Taurus, 5.6 degrees to Aldebaran's upper left, the figure's brightest star. It is over 10 degrees to the upper right of the Bull's Horns, Elnath, and Zeta Tauri. Do not confuse Jupiter with bright Capella, less than halfway up in the east-northeast. It is the 4th brightest star visible from the mid-northern latitudes, but noticeably dimmer than Jupiter. Mars, 8.4 degrees to Jupiter's upper right, is overtaking the more distant world. The Jupiter-Mars conjunction occurs August 14th. This morning the red planet appears to be passing between the Pleiades star cluster, 6.7 degrees above the planet, and Aldebaran. Along the horizon below the 2 bright planets, Orion is slowly climbing into the morning sky. 3 of the 4 bright stars that identify the hunter's knees and shoulders are visible. Use a binocular to see the 3 belt stars. Farther northward, the Gemini twins, Castor and Pollux, are returning to the pre-dawn sky in the northeast after their solar conjunction. Use a binocular to see Pollux, not yet high enough for easy visibility. The 3rd bright outer planet, Saturn, is farther westward, about halfway up in the south-southwest in front of a dim Aquarius starfield, affected by the moonlight. From Earth overtaking the ringed wonder, it is slowly retrograding in front of the stars. The star Fomalhaut, in neighboring southern Fish, is nearly 25 degrees below the planet. In the evening sky, Mercury and Venus are considered evening planets, but they are veiled by bright evening twilight. The innermost planet is quickly overtaking Earth, passing between our planet and the Sun on August 18, moving into the eastern morning sky during September. Venus is slowly emerging from bright sunlight. In 3 evenings attempt to see the planet at 30 minutes after sundown low in the western sky. Saturn rises less than 2 hours after sunset. An hour later it is low in the east-southeast. The moon rises after midnight. Tomorrow morning it is near the Pleiades. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.